Okay, let's talk about common mistakes as with the uppercut, and it's one of the punches that I personally had the most challenges with because it's kind of a weird punch. It's really hard to generate a lot of power on it. And the way that I ended up, I'm still kind of struggling with the right technique for this punch, but the idea is that you've got to turn your hand like the other way, right? Completely the other way. So it's almost like flat and dig in. And the power comes from the kind of your body, right? So your legs have to do some of that. And it's really, in this punch, a lot of things have to work together because you kind of have to dig in, but you don't want to like dig in too low, right? Because, and also of course, if you're doing this, look how open you are to getting hit. So the timing has to be like really great for this because, like, I mean, you're really putting your arm, like, I mean, whole half of your face is open, right? Whereas the other punches, you're not as open. So it's a tough thing to get right. It's a timing thing. And the power is actually also harder to generate because you gotta dig in. But it's like, if you do all this, it takes you so much time, and all this time you're open. So it's a hard punch to do. A lot of practice and just a lot of attention to technique and quickness, and maybe use it in a part of your combination. But you know, obviously, you wouldn't start from it or something like that. Or if you would, it would be rare. So that's the uppercut. It's, for me at least, it's been the hardest one.